Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll show you how you can track form submission in WordPress as a Google Ads conversion. So you will tracking this form submission and sending it to Google as a conversion. So I have opened my contact us page in a debug window, and we will just simply submit it and see what will happen here in my container. I have already added Google Ads marketing tag and GA4 code to this website or container. If you want to know how you can add these tags, you can watch my previous videos. So let's just submit it and see what will happen here. I will just enter some name. I will enter subject and I will submit it. Okay, the form has been submitted. Let's just check here what happened here. Okay, here you can see a form has been submitted. We got an event of form submit. Here you can see the details. So I'm using Google contact form 7 here. If you're using some other forms or the same form, in the first go, you might not get these events, the form submit or the form start or something like this. So what you have to do is you have to go to your WordPress dashboard if you don't get these form submit events. If you get it, then you will continue from this step. If you don't get it, you will open your WordPress website. You will go to plugins. You'll open plugins and you have to add a new plugin named contact form GTM for WP. I will show you the plugin. Okay, you have to add this plugin. You click on add new plugin and search for GTM for WP and add the first plugin. Let's just go to the setting of this plugin. And to track form, you have to go to integrations, then contact form 7 and check this box. When you check this box and click on save changes, then you have to also clear your cache. Once you do this, whenever you will submit a form, you will get an event of form submission here. So this is how you can do it. Now let's go to Google Ads and create a conversion here. I'm in my demo account. Let's just go to goals, conversion. Let's create a new conversion here. Okay, let's click on create a new conversion here. Website. Let's just enter our domain here. Click on scan. Okay, let this finish. Okay, we will add a conversion manually. It is not checked anything default. You have to select the category. This would be a submit lead form or sign up, whatever. Let's just do submit. Okay, let's just do contact. Okay, add contact to the default account goal. It will be added a default account goal and it will be a primary action. Okay, you can create secondary conversion action, but I will not explain the difference here because it's something different. So you have to let it be primary and enter a name here. Contact us form submit. Okay, we did it. Now we will not use a value for this because it's not purchased. Value is required in case of any purchase in e-commerce. So we will count every. We will count one each conversion, because if a user sign ups 1, we will count it to 1. Okay, click through conversion window, engage conversion window, view through conversion. These things are something of attribution. You can select the default one, or you can go up to the last 90 days. Basically, it just gives credit to conversion if it happened within these days. So we will discuss this thing and later in detail. So we will not discuss this thing here. In attribution, you can let it data driven because it will use AI and give credit to all the sources that are involved in the conversion. So we can open up or set up the conversion enhanced conversion later on. Let's just continue with this thing. Enhanced conversion dot run on. Let's click on agree and continue. Okay, this is asking us how we want to set up the tag. So we will be doing this through tag manager. Okay, this is our conversion ID and this is our conversion label. Let's just open our Google Tag Manager and click on new tag here. We'll select Google Ads and then Google Ads conversion tracking. Let's copy the conversion ID and conversion label from here. Copy both. Okay, we'll enter conversion ID first here. Then we will add a conversion label here. Okay, so we are not tracking any value, so we'll let this empty. We will add another tag of conversion leaker here as well. If you want, you can click create here, or you can add by your own. Whatever is convenient for you, you can do that. On save. basically it's necessary to send conversion to Google Ads. So in triggering, we will select the event that has been triggered here when the form is submitted. So you'll go to variables and see what the page path is. Let's say the page path is contact us. We will do this in a way that only form submission in contact us form should be recorded through this conversion. Let's just create a new trigger, event configuration, custom events. We will enter the event name. In our case, it's form submit. Let's just copy the form submit. Okay, we'll enter form submit. Now, there could be multiple forms across your website. Wherever a form submission has happened, this trigger will fire automatically. But we don't want this. We want only a form submission in contact us page happen. If a form submission is happened in contact us page, we only want then to trigger this trigger, to fire this trigger. So we will click on some custom events, then we will select page path and we will enter equals and select the page path from here. What was it? Was contact us. Let's just copy this and paste it here. So the trigger will only fire when a form submission happened in contact us page. So that was our goal. Let's just give it a name. This could be form submit. Click on save and it's automatically selected. Let's give it conversion a name. Okay, so we gave it a name. We'll click on save. Okay, our tag has been saved. Let's just open this in preview window and see if we are getting it correctly or not. Go to Google Ads, click on done. Okay, active here. Let's just do a simple form submission, and then we will test it whether it's getting active or not. So let's just go to our tag assistant. So the tag is here, but it's not fired yet. So let's submit a form here. Click on submit. The form is sent. Okay, the tag has been also fired. Okay, these were the condition for the trigger, so this has been triggered. Okay, now let's go to Google Ads and refresh this. Okay, this will take some time to be active, so we will wait for this. As here you can see, it's saying it's we haven't verified the tag, which will take up to 3 hours after some of your page which is containing the tag. So wait for 3 hours and then it will show active here, or it will show no recent conversion. So that's it, guys. This is how you can do it. And as you can see, the tag has been correctly fired here, and you can see the details here. Let me just open the detail here. So everything is perfect, and you will get everything active here within 3 hours. So I hope you got the video. This is how you can do it. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe the channel. And if you have any confusion or something, if you're a business owner, you want me to do this for you, you can click on below the link and book a call for me. Thank you and nice day. Bye-bye.